Are you making this number one civil service exam math mistake? Many test takers fail because they misread the problem. Let's fix that right now. Example question: a store sells apples for P15 each. If you buy 6 apples, but 2 are free, how much do you pay? Think about it for a second. Wrong answer. Some people quickly multiply P15 times 6 equals P90. But wait, did you forget about the free apples? Let's fix that. Here's the right way to solve it. First, underline the key details. You buy 6 apples, you get 2 apples for free. Now focus on what you actually pay for. You receive 8 apples in total, but you only pay for 6. Final step. Multiply P15 times 4 equals P60. Answer: P60. Did you get it right? Comment below. Now it's time for our final challenge. A farmer has 10 chickens and 5 ducks. If he sells half of the ducks, how many chickens does he have left? Comment your answers below. The first 3 correct answers get a special shout out in my next video. For more math tricks, hit like and subscribe Math Classroom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.